Isaac, can you tell me, what did you learn having to organize and host the East Palo Alto Police Talk for East Palo Alto students today?
I learned how to take calls to the schools that were going to go on my presentation, learn how to take notes, how to type a little bit more faster, and take emails or send documents, create my website, and also
I think a flyer too, right?
yeah, make a flyer. Get to go to the police station and get to call.
And what about the presentation today? Didn't you have to do something to make a presentation?
Yeah, I needed also to do my speech, introduce Commander Liu, make a Q&A with Commander Liu, and then closing, which was before closing I did the session where kids could talk to make questions for Commander Liu or for me.